2004 Toyota Sienna XLE Limited, every option, cash vehicle. For the price you're asking, you will not find a cleaner one with all these options. No accidents, in wonderful, wonderful condition. Backup camera, backup sensors, navigation, heated seats, moonroof, DVD. You'll be lucky to find a door ding on this thing. Brand new tires. Moonroof. Everything works. Power seats, heated seats, dual power sliding doors, navigation, backup camera, rear parking sensors, all sets of keys, floor mats, manuals. This is a local trade-in. Dual power sliding doors. Interior is like new. DVD player. Third row seats, no rips or tears, stains or wear marks. Remote control for the DVD player. If you're looking for a cheap cash car that's perfect for family, this is it. Needs absolutely nothing. Cold AC, runs great. 2004 Toyota Sienna XLE Limited, every possible option at the time, in remarkable condition.